How is it going, everybody? Hope you're having the most wonderful day and staying safe during this new time in the world right now. And what do we do when we are stuck at home? Well, let me show you. The neighbors are taking care of the yard. They're out there trimming. The wife's already done our yard. She's already mowed it and everything. As you can see, it looks absolutely wonderful. But I still have to get out there and trim. But today's video is about something different. So let me get to that. Now, what is my video about? You may be asking. Well, it's kind of like, you know, you're stuck at home because of this whole COVID-19 thing. Now, I still get to work, so I'm behind on a lot of things. But thank goodness I still get to work. I'm not knocking it. There's so many people out there really struggling right now. And I mean millions of people. So I do not take that lightly. I am praying for each and every one of you to get through this safely and quickly. Now, what am I doing? I'm catching up on a few things today. Tomorrow I'm going to be priming that bad boy right there. I'm going to be priming that. But today it is time to catch up on these. It has been doing nothing but raining. And today it's not raining, but as you can see, it is windy as crap, as I always say here in North Carolina. If it's not wet and rainy, it's warm and windy. Well, today we got warm, so we got the wind. So today we're going to be catching up on that. This is not going to be a how-to video or anything like that. And as a matter of fact, I'm probably not even going to be in it much. It's just going to be a quick wash video. I'm going to do 2 of them. One on the red car, one on the black car, and then I might do a third on the Tahoe. I am not sure. But in this process, you're going to catch a glimpse of some of my favorite products. You're going to see before shots and after shots. And like I said, I might not even be in them outside of you seeing me here and there. It's a little something different that I'm going to do this time. Like I said, it's not a how-to. It's not a product demo. It's not a review of any kind. It's just a quick wash video and me showing you some of the products that I like to use, that I really enjoy using and that I really thoroughly like. So I hope you like the video, and I'll see you at the end of it. Alright, I'm going to need that. I'm going to need that. Let's go over here and sit down so we can discuss something. She's looking real good, ain't she? She's still wet, almost completely dried off. The wind and the sun is really doing it, but there's something I want to discuss with you. Whenever you go to dry your car, we're not done with this yet. Still got a few things. But whenever you go to dry your car, you never want to use just your towel to dry it because it needs lubrication. Otherwise, it's going to create halos, spider webbing, and you'll be able to see it in direct sun. So you always want to use a lubrication. And in this case, what I'm using is a drying towel that you can get any Walmart, any Advanced Auto, AutoZone, anywhere like that. But I'm going to be using as a lubrication Color Crush by Lithium Audio Care. And again, what that does, it provides a little bit of lubrication and protection in between your towel and your car, your paint. And it also prevents water beading, and it helps the water actually dry better. Like if you dry it off and there's a little bit of streaking left behind, with this mixed in, when it does completely dry, there will be no water spots. Plus it has a lot of gloss, and it's got SiO2 in it, which is ceramic, so it gives you outstanding water beading capabilities. So let's get to it. Well, there you go, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that. Like I said, it's a quick little video to get us out of this COVID-19 funk, get us outside doing a few things, showing you a few great products that I really like and have used for a long time and are very satisfied with. And like I said, I'm going to be doing another one on a black car where I'll be using some of the same products and a few more additional products. So stay tuned for that video. Hope you enjoy that. I'm trying to keep you out of the wind. I'm sorry. It's some crazy weather we've been having. But anyhow, with all that said, the car turned out great. Easy to use products. You can get them everywhere except for Dyno Wax and the trim serum. Both of those you can get online. Both of them you can get on Amazon. I'll try to put the links to them below so that you can see them, and that will help, you know, support the channel a little bit. And yeah, that's the goal of this channel anyway, is to show you products that you can get anywhere. Walmart, AutoZone, Advanced Auto, Western Auto, whatever you have in your area, or easily online. Not some of those mail order cafe type deals, if you will, you know. And one of those where you have to order and wait a couple weeks for it to come in. I don't like that stuff. But anyhow, or designer type stuff, if you will. Here comes the wind again, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign off. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Get out there and enjoy yours. Sorry, this pollen is killing me. I know the car's going to be covered in it tomorrow when I come back outside, but that's easily remedied with the dust mop. So you guys get out there and enjoy your car. You know, now's a great time. You're stuck at home, so let's get those cars clean. Make this world a shinier and better place, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.